Hello, welcome to my channel. I am so glad you're here. Today I'm going to plan, shop, and cook. I'm going to plan a dinner and a dessert. I'm going to shop those items and include the prices. And then I'm going to cook and include Weight Watcher points. This week I took out my cookbooks and I was looking for a specific kind of meal. I was looking for something that was going to be easy, something that's going to be quick, we can get dinner on the table, and something that's gonna keep us on the lower end of points. For me, when I'm figuring out dinner, I like to have about 10 points for my meal. I found the dinner in the Skinny Taste cookbook. I love this cookbook. It has all of the nutrition facts inside, so it helps me calculate my points very quickly. Dessert, I found this online through Pound Dropper, and it is called Skinny Peach Cobbler. But first, before I get started on all of this delicious food, I want to get to the store, get my groceries picked up, and I will share those items and their prices with you in just 1 minute. For the dinner, I got these sweet Italian style chicken sausages. They're by Al Fresco. These I couldn't find at my Walmart, so I got these through Meijer, or you can look at Kroger, they might have them too. I have some nice fresh rosemary. We need 3 sprigs of these. I think it usually comes in 3 sprigs, so we're set there. An onion. Vidalias are still in season. Yay. 2 red pepper and 3 russet potatoes. Moving over here for the dessert, I needed some no sugar or unsweetened applesauce. So I got these. I just like to eat these for snacks anyway, so I figured this was a better container instead of the great big huge one. And then I have 2 cans of no sugar added peaches and a 0 sugar cake mix. It's the classic yellow. Well, it is that time of the evening and I need to start making dinner. I am tired, so I am very happy that this meal is a good, quick, easy one. I've already washed up my potatoes. Before I get started, I better set my oven, get it started, 400, otherwise I'm gonna forget. Boy, have I done that before, and what a scramble. I'm like, crap, I forgot to start my oven. Hey, what are you doing in here? I am in here getting that onion and those red peppers. Well, you don't want to stay in here, do you? It's pretty chilly. Come on. You need to help me cut up vegetables. In this cabinet are my cutting boards. And we need that for the chopping. And up above that, in my drawer, it is a mess on that side, so let's just come over here, please. Just ignore that side. I got this after we moved in here. Instead of having a knife block, I have it in the drawer and it saves room on my countertops. The recipe says to use 1 medium onion. This one is quite large, so I'm going to use probably half of this. And I'm going to cut these in big sections, and then we need to separate them. Oh my goodness. I cut into the core of that onion and my eyes are burning. Vidalias usually don't do that. I wonder if it's because they're like toward the end of the season or something. I wonder if they didn't grab me a Vidalia. I'm gonna put the onions right into a bowl. I washed my red pepper and I'm going to chop these up. I am leaving these in bigger chunks as well. Whoops, that one, maybe not so much. My knife kind of turned. Okay, let's try this. This one's gonna be a slim one. We'll call him Slim. And there's our oven. I'm doing the same thing with the peppers as I did with the onion. I might have to get a bigger bowl. I might have greatly misjudged this. Shoot. Okay, the potatoes, on the other hand, cannot be large like the onions and peppers. These actually have to be little. So you just chop and chop and chop some more to your little heart's content and get smaller pieces of potatoes. So they're about like this big. Oh, and I'm leaving the skins on them. Gives us extra nutrition and it saves time. Hey, don't mind those dishes in the background. I'll get to those tonight. And yep, you guessed it. I'm adding these to the bowl as well. This one got away from me. I don't think so, dude. We're gonna eat you too. You should be proud of me. I changed the bowl into a bigger bowl. Yay, me. Okay, for seasonings, I need salt and pepper and garlic powder, but I'm also going to need olive oil. The sausages and rosemary are in the refrigerator out in the garage, so Jason went out there to get them for me. Here he comes. Come on, man, we don't have all night. Let's go, let's go. I swear he just slowed down. Thank you.
You're welcome.
See, this is why I got a bigger bowl. I need 2 teaspoons of olive oil, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and then some salt and pepper. It doesn't say specifics, so it's probably just to taste. I'm gonna give all of this a good stir. Okay, did you catch that? I bet you were saying, don't forget the rosemary. I heard you, I heard you. I was stirring it. I got the rosemary. I'm gonna add that to the bowl too. Thank you for reminding me. Now I'm gonna mix these in and I need to get a cookie sheet. Now I'm gonna dump all of these delicious ingredients, not the sausage yet, onto a cookie sheet. If it doesn't fit on a cookie sheet, I can do 2 of them. So I did end up using 2 cookie sheets. I like to use nonstick aluminum foil so that nothing sticks to the pans. But if you don't have that, you can just use some olive oil spray. Now these are gonna go in the oven on that 400 degrees for 20 minutes. All right, we have a few minutes left on the potato mixture, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut up the sausage. I'm gonna put them in little, like, bigger chunks. I said little, but I meant bigger chunks. Oh my, look at all those peppers and stuff. I think these are gonna be so, so good. Man, oh man, does our house smell good. At this point, I'm gonna add those sweet Italian chicken sausages to the pans. I'm gonna put them back in for about 20 to 25 minutes. But first, I'm gonna stir all of the vegetables. One more little side note here. This stuff is sticking to my nonstick aluminum foil, so I went ahead and sprayed everything with this olive oil spray, and it seems to have loosened everything right up. And this is dinner. So for 1/4 of a pan, it is 8 points. We're making coffee to go with dessert. Dinner was fantastic. It was so good. Okay, I don't know if you've ever had those sausages before, but I have never had them, and they were so, so good. I'm already planning meals using them again. They had fennel seeds going throughout, and then those peppers that I showed you when I sliced them open, oh my goodness, they were so good. But all in all, dinner went over really well. It's filling, but I have been looking forward to this dessert all day long. We're gonna start by turning our oven back on to 350. Thank God for air conditioning. Running that oven and now starting it again, I keep thinking to myself, thank God for air conditioning. And now I am draining those peaches. I know this looks like unsteady and dangerous, but this is what I do. I set it on top of the peach can and then it's fine. It's gonna be okay. Heading into the pantry, we need something. Cinnamon, vanilla. I don't know if you've seen this. This is my spice rack inside of our pantry. It holds everything. Man, look at that. I'll have it linked below. And we need some eggs. In a bowl, I have 1 large egg and 2 egg whites. I'm gonna add in that cake mix, a 1/3 cup of applesauce, which ended up being only 1 of these little applesauce tubs, 1 1/4 cups of water, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. And now I'm gonna mix this until it's well combined with the hand mixer. I sprayed a 9x13 baking dish. I'm gonna put those drained peaches on the bottom of the pan. And now I'm gonna pour the batter all over those peaches. Okay, this beauty is gonna go in the oven for about 30 to 35 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. Looks good. So I cut it into 12 pieces because 1/12 of this dessert is 4 points. This smells so good. You can smell that cinnamon. Oh, look at that. Look at that. It's really hot, but I'm gonna take a little nibble and tell you what I think. Yeah, this is so good. You would never know that this is low point or low calorie dessert. It is so good. Definitely give this one a try. If you want to, for extra points, you could add some low-fat ice cream to the top of this, but I am going to add a little bit of this zero sugar Ready Whip. All right, I have my coffee poured, I have my dessert. I am ready to run in really quickly, get my pajamas on, relax, and enjoy this super yummy peach cobbler. The recipes are in the description down below. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you soon. Hey! Don't stop watching now. Here's 2 more videos for you to enjoy. Click it. Go ahead, click it. Thank you.